Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. My name is Dylan. I'm an instructor for Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, for how to build a YouTube channel. All of my courses are linked down below, and if you're early enough, you'll get a free trial of some of my courses where you can learn a lot about Premiere Pro, even if you're a complete beginner. But today, basically, I wanted to show you guys how to use a green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. How, as a beginner, if you've got footage like this, for example, with a computer-generated green screen background and with a piece of like logo at the bottom, or a little lower third that you actually want to have on top of your own video, for example, this, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that green and put your own footage there, basically, in short. And the same sort of principle works with a good green screen if you've been filming at home. So first up, the problem you encounter is, right, you've got your little lower third that you want to have on top of your video. So let's say if we move that up to the top and we underlaid our video, for some reason, the green screen's on top. The green is showing. We don't want the green to show. What we really want is the original footage to show, but with the banner, the lower third there. So simply, all we're going to do is, let's just tidy it up there. It always makes it easier to have a nice and tidy timeline. We're going to head over to the editing panel. We're going to head to effects. So let me just show you, for example, I go editing, then you select here, select effects. Then you're going to scroll down till you find video effects. Click on video effects. Scroll down again until you find keying, which is right here. Once you've opened keying, this is Adobe Premiere Pro 2022, by the way, but the same works for 2021. We're going to select Ultra Key. Now we're going to Ultra Key the video file with the green on it. Once we're on Ultra Key, we're going to head back to the editing tab right here, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for, right here, our Ultra Key color. So Ultra Key on the editing panel. Then we're going to select the color picker tool. We're going to click the green right here, and as soon as I click the green, once I've selected the color picker tool, my background disappears. The green right here is the color in the key color, and you can actually see that what I wanted to happen is happening. The green screen's working, the green's gone, but the other elements stayed, and that is actually a legit discount code. So if you're looking to get some any Y-Food shakes anytime soon, you can use that discount code. So there you go, guys. Very simple tutorial. I hope it helped a lot. It's all about chroma keying, and it's a very simple fix. So take care, subscribe, see you again soon.